Good evening, students, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope that you all are happy and safe at your homes during this emergency crisis of coronavirus. As you all know, last time we had discussed about uh, two chapters of class 10 syllabus, uh, resources and development and power sharing. We had discussed and we had completed two chapters of our syllabus, uh, power sharing, and the second chapter was resources and development. Today we will discuss about our next chapter of class 10 syllabus, that is development. Development is the first chapter of economics. Okay, there are total four chapters in our syllabus of economics, and the first chapter of economics is today, uh, which we discuss uh, today. Okay, so first of all, the chapter name is development. As you all know that whenever we start any chapter, then the first thing which must be understand that the meaning of the chapter. We have to understand the meaning of the chapter. We must know the meaning of the chapter. Okay, chapter name is development. So basically, if we talk about development, then we can say that development is the process by which a phase, in simply form we can say that change is a development. Means क्या होता है कि जब एक पुराने सिस्टम में एक नया सिस्टम आपका आता है, या जब चीज़ें आपका चेंज हो जाती हैं, ठीक है। डेवलपमेंट क्या होता है? डेवलपमेंट मीन्स जब कुछ चीज़ों में व्हेन समथिंग गुड हैपन इन द प्रीवियस थिंग, so that is known as development. Okay, development has three aspects. There is, अगर आपके पास, if you have money, then we can't say that you are the developed person. Okay, there are three aspects of development. First is social development, economical development, and political development. These are the three aspects of a development concept. Okay, so if we talk about development in our further things, then we can say we included all the three aspects of this development. Means कि डेवलपमेंट का मतलब है कि जब किन चीज़ों में चेंजेस आता है, ठीक है, और जब आपका किसी भी कंट्री के अंदर उसके सोशल, पॉलिटिकल, इकोनॉमिकल एस्पेक्ट्स में चेंजेस आ रहे हैं, तो दैट इज एग्जांपल ऑफ डेवलपमेंट। ओके, इसके अलावा इफ वी टॉक अबाउट व्हाट इज पॉलिटिकल डेवलपमेंट मींस a country in which every person have the right to give vote. Okay, every person have the right to job, every person have the right to choose their own government, so that is called political development. Okay, if we talk about social development means whenever in a country all the segments of a society have equal rights, all the segments of the society have share of power, so that is known as what? Social development. Means women's and minorities have equal rights. Okay, the lower section of the society, the lower section of the strata of the society, all have equal rights. Okay, so that is the example of social development. If we talk about economical development, means when different segments of the society have equal distribution of income, when every person has the chance to uh, have equal opportunity to gain or to uh, income, to get income. Okay, so that is the example of economical development. Means अगर किसी पर्सन के पास क्या है, बेसिकली अगर हम बात करें, अगर किसी के पास पैसा है और अगर पैसा कमा रहा है, फ्यूचर में आपका पैसा कमा रहा है, या बेसिकली क्या होगा आपका, उसका इकोनॉमी में चेंज आ रही है, इकोनॉमी मतलब उसके इनकम में चेंज आ रहा है, so that is the example of economical development. Okay, so development has three aspects: political, social, and economical. Apart from these development aspects of development, there are many things that must be required for a person to lead a happy and peaceful life. What are these things? These are called development goals. Okay, what are called development goals? The meaning of development is that neither a person only get its economical development, but in other things also. Like we can say that if we talk about that, if equality, a person must ensure that he is equal in a particular country with other citizens. Okay, with comparison to other citizens. Okay, he have equal rights, he have equal freedom. Okay, he have respect in the society, he get dignity by the government. Okay, he the area which they are residing have proper sanitize. Okay, they have proper electrified area. Okay, so these are also the examples of development or goals of development. Okay, so if we talk about goals of development, then we can say that there are two goals of development. The first goal of development is that all the persons who are living in a society have different development goals, have different objectives. Okay, the second one is that one development of a person can be destructive for the another person. Okay, let's take an example of that. Like we take an example of farmer and a laborer. A laborer is developed when he get good salary or wages by a farmer. Okay, he also have the leave facility. Okay, the farmer also give proper income at proper time. Okay, so that is they want from farmer. Okay, a farmer is developed when he give less wages to his laborers and get more uh, wages for selling their crops. Okay, so that is we can say that the development goal of farmer is destructive for the what लेबर. यहाँ पे आप देख रहे हैं कि लेबर का जो डेवलपमेंट गोल है वो अलग है, फार्मर का डेवलपमेंट गोल अलग है, दोनों के अलग अलग गोल्स है, लेकिन क्या एक दूसरे में वो क्या कर रहे हैं, इंटरफेयर कर रहे हैं, क्या कर रहे हैं, एक दूसरे को काट रहे हैं. तो हम कह सकते हैं कि बेसिकली दो डेवलपमेंट गोल्स होते हैं. पहला क्या, एवरी पर्सन हैव डिफरेंट डेवलपमेंट गोल, सभी पर्सन के डिफरेंट डेवलपमेंट गोल होते हैं. दूसरा गोल क्या होता है आपका कि एक का गोल दूसरे के गोल में कभी कभार डिस्ट्रक्टिव और कभी कभार ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन क्रिएट करता है. सो दैट इज द एग्जांपल ऑफ व्हाट डेवलपमेंट गोल्स. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज इनकम एंड अदर गोल्स. ओके, वी कैन से दैट बेसिकली इन एंशिएंट टाइम वी ओनली टॉक अबाउट द इनकम और द इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट ऑफ अ कंट्री. But in the today context, if we talk if we talk in the 21st century, then there are two more developments must be ensured by any country, like political and social development also. Okay, if we talk about that, if a country is developed only by a particular sense or a particular sense of economy, so we can't say that that is a developed country. Okay, let's take an example of Saudi Arab and USA. Okay, we can say that USA is a developed country. Why we can say that USA is a developed country? Because USA have different facilities. USA have social, political as well economical development in their country. Okay, like USA have a chosen government, means political freedom is there. If we talk about USA, all the segments of the society have equal rights in USA. Okay, so that is the fulfillment of the second development, what, social development. Okay, and the another one is that all the persons who are residing in USA have higher income than the other countries. Okay, so that is the example of economical development. So we can say that America is a developed country, US is a developed country. But when we take the contrasting factor, when we take the another example of Saudi Arab, we can say that Saudi Arabia is a developed country. But in what sense? We can say that Saudi Arabia is a developed country, but only on the economical sense. Why? Because on the basis of income, on the basis of economy, we can say that Saudi Arabia is a developed country. But if we closer look at the other development like social or political, we can't say that, and we can't deny that. We can't deny that thing that this country is a developed. Why? Because there are no social and political development there. So we can't say that Saudi Arabia is a developed country. Okay.